If anything, public officials must be held to an even higher standard as their actions shape entire communities. When politicians hand out assistance with strings attached, using it to boost their image or elevate themselves, it is a sign of a leader without a genuine platform.
Pinalalabas umanong galing sa sariling bulsa ng ilang kongresista ang pinamumudmud nilang pera sa pag-iikot sa bansa. Pero galing umano yan sa mga ayuda program ng gobyerno.
We should not feel na may utang na loob tayo when we receive ayuda. And when it is distributed during campaign rallies or meetings or pinagsusulat kayo sa attendance at ibibigay bukas ang bayad, it starts to look like vote buying. Ang mga politiko na gumagawa nito ay mga oportunista and should not be trusted. That money belongs to all of us. It is not theirs to claim as a product ng kanilang pagmamahal o kasipagan or dahil sa kabaitan ng kanilang patron. It's really disheartening to realize how much politicians manipulate us, especially during election season.